shark, do 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 do, baby shark, do 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 do, baby shark. Mommy shark, do 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 do, baby shark.
Hi there, it's Joe from Dreigiau'r Mynydd. This weekend we went on an amazing camp down Jubilee Fields. First up, I want to say a massive thank you to all those people who came along and helped, be it the IST members, carers who popped along and gave us lots of a hand, or local scouters, Kay and Steve, and Chris, who came and ran some activities for us. Guys, you're amazing. You really made our weekend happen. We went to Jubilee campsite near Cardiff and we did loads of different activities. Here's what we got up to.
Country roads take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, mountain mama, take me home.
We hope that you liked that video. If you want to follow our journey, give us a like on Facebook, a follow on Twitter, or subscribe down below.